Never lied to you. I said I'd find a way to earn straight.
They're gonna fire you. The club more important than taking care of me and the kids.
No, it's more important than spitting sawdust 10 hours a day. I'll figure it out.
I'm not gonna live this way anymore. I'm done with this shit.
Look, man, I'm fine. We should go after her.
I can't keep doing this. Half our goddamn fight's about money, and I can't get ahead without the club. I need back in. Guns, protection runs, all of it.
But you still got to talk to Donna.
I'm done talking. I want back in, Jax. I'll talk to Clay when I see him.
I didn't